I'm Chef Regina Charbonneau from Regina's Kitchen, and today I'm going to share the secret to my perfect 6-minute egg. It's wonderful when you get the perfect firm white and a creamy center. I use it on my smoked salmon plate. I use it on my jalapeno cheese grits with brisket, with the soft-boiled egg. I've got lots of ideas for you how to use it. So after you get your water to a roaring boil, you're going to place your eggs on a tea towel, and I fold it. This prevents the eggs from breaking. So in exactly 6 minutes, I take the eggs out of the boiling water into the ice water bath. Let that sit for 15 minutes at least. 20 to 30 minutes is great as well. All right, so they've rested a bit in the cold water, and I crack the bottom, and they're easier to peel with water. A lot of times I just will run water over the egg. But these are peeling nicely, so. But if you're having trouble with them and you run them under cold water, that helps the process. All right, so let's test our egg. Oh yeah, that is perfect. 6-minute egg.